Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a sticky navbar on WordPress. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the WordPress website. At the top right corner, click the Login button. Once inside your dashboard, go to the Quick Links section and click on Edit Site. From the list of sites, choose the one you want to modify. This will open the site editor where you can make design changes. Now, click on the header section of your site. This is where you manage settings related to navigation. In the top right of the editor, click Settings to open a panel with configuration options. Inside the panel, go to the Position section. Here, you will see an option labeled Default. Change this setting from default to sticky. This ensures your navbar stays visible at the top as visitors scroll down. So that's basically how you can create a sticky navbar on WordPress. That's it for this video. Thanks.